Hey everyone! Imagine you're driving smoothly and suddenly your transmission feels sluggish, shifts harshly, or even gets stuck in limp mode. You plug in your OBD-II scanner and there it is, code P0937. This code indicates a hydraulic oil temperature sensor circuit low, meaning your transmission system isn't getting accurate temperature readings. In this video, I'll explain what this code means, where the sensor is located, and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. DTC P0937 stands for Hydraulic Oil Temperature Sensor Circuit Low. This means the sensor is sending a low voltage signal, causing incorrect temperature readings. If this sensor fails, your transmission system won't properly adjust hydraulic pressure, leading to gear shifting problems, overheating, or transmission failure. If your car has this code, you may experience harsh or delayed gear shifts, transmission slipping or jerking, overheating transmission fluid, check engine light or transmission warning light, or vehicle stuck in limp mode. To properly diagnose and fix P0937, here are the key locations you need to check. The hydraulic oil temperature sensor is mounted inside the transmission pan, near the valve body or transmission pump. It monitors hydraulic fluid temperature and sends data to the TCM. The transmission control module is found under the dashboard, inside the fuse box, or near the engine bay. It uses sensor data to adjust transmission pressure and prevent overheating. The wiring runs between the hot sensor and TCM, transferring voltage signals for proper temperature monitoring. A low voltage reading may be caused by a faulty sensor, broken wiring, or dirty transmission fluid. Here are the most common reasons for this code. Faulty hydraulic oil temperature sensor, sending incorrect signals, dirty or low transmission fluid causing overheating, damaged wiring or loose connectors, faulty TCM misinterpreting data, or overheated transmission damaging internal components. Follow these steps to diagnose and fix the issue. Step 1. Check the hydraulic oil temperature sensor using a multimeter to check voltage readings. If voltage is too low, replace the sensor. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for broken, corroded, or loose connections. Step 3. Check transmission fluid. If fluid is low or dirty, replace it and flush the transmission. Step 4. Test the TCM by scanning for additional codes. Step 5. Inspect for transmission overheating. Make sure the cooling system and transmission cooler are working properly. Step 6. Clear the code using an OBD-II scanner and check if the issue is resolved. If your transmission is acting up, shifting rough, or overheating, don't ignore P0937. Check the hydraulic oil temperature sensor, transmission fluid, and wiring to keep your car running smoothly. For more troubleshooting and fixes, check out these videos: P0740, torque converter clutch circuit malfunction, and P0741, torque converter clutch performance stuck off. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.